You're cool here and today. I'm gonna be playing a game called Counter-Blox, and if you guys don't know what Counter-Blox is, it's just like a CS:GO copy of but in Roblox. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this game, if you guys know what CS:GO is, you guys might know what CBRO, and that stands for Counter-Blox, just like in CS:GO. CS:GO is way different than this. The maps are absolutely almost the same, but it's not real life. Like Roblox is Roblox. Oh, that dude thought. That dude thought. But guys, I'm super good at this game. Like I could get an ace so easy. Like it's pretty easy. But guys, I have played this game, so I'm not new to this, and it's pretty easy. Like I can see the sauce on my best, so I'm gonna sneak. You can actually knife them. That would be amazing. That would be pretty good. That would be funny too. But where they are. Oh, let's get him. Okay. We can actually get an ace. Can we get an ace? Okay, we got a friend request. Please subscribe. You could definitely be. Okay. Okay, let's go. B. No, there's no players. All right. I don't know if I should go long. Like long is like all the way at A, but to the right. No, should I just camp at B? And when I hear like someone, I could just go attack. Nah, let's not be called a camper. Let's actually go attack. So let's oh jeez. Okay, we got him. No luck on you. Okay. Um yeah, let's go get the bomb. We need a bomb. I don't even think we'll make it. Okay. Oh, that dude's over there. Okay, am I gonna win? Wow, I didn't win. Our team didn't win. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Our team didn't win. That's just messed up. Like I've had a lot of eliminations. Like, what is this game talking about? I have like the most kills, and why am I not like? Why didn't my team out? It's so confusing. But let's go. Let's get some grenades and some armor. So, Caliber. I think Caliber is. Yeah, but here we go. Let's start smoke at long doors, longs doors, whatever. We're gonna flashbang. It's my luck. Where you get blind. Okay. No one's going on. Right? No one's going long. Okay, here we go. We're gonna be saving our other grenade. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the middle. Let's go to the middle. Um, so let's go. Should I camp here? No, that's a bad idea. Oh my goodness. Okay, so grenade. I don't think anyone's there. But I thought someone will be there because, yep, because one of their teammates went there, so there's probably another chance for other teammates coming with them. So what you have to do. Uh, oh geez, I was scratching my leg and someone killed me from behind. Oh, through the wall. Oh, those skills, guys. Wow. Oh my god, those skills. All right, so it's now 42. We could get a comeback. Let's see. Comeback can really happen. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna get our AWP like a awesome dude. All right, let's get an AWP. Let's get ready for the snipe at mid. Oh, I did get him. Oh, that dude is dying. That dude is dying. All right, so we gotta get him. He is at 12. Boom. Oh, jeez, y'all, those guys are just gone. Come on, just show yourself. Come on, don't be shy. Let's just take a picture. Oh, yeah, you want to take a picture? Okay, just show yourself again. Say cheese. Picture right there. There's a picture. Picture ready. Come on, y'all scared? Oh my gosh, what a bunch of cowards. Okay, let's go A. Let's go A then. All right, let's go A. Let's go long. Let's go long with our pistol. Okay, let's go. But yeah, guys, if you guys think this game is pretty cool, link will be in the description. You guys don't have Roblox, and then you have to download it and get it and play it. So, yeah, go. Oh, jeez, Jesus. Okay, there's two players. Oh, I could have got flick. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, I am back. I just had to do something for my mom. So here we go. We are back. And yeah, here we go. Let's start. Yeah, who died here? Oh, counter-terrorist did. Alright, so here we go. Let's get this kill. Oh my god. That dude thought that he was gonna get that. Oh jeez. Oh. No! Darn it, I died. No. Okay, so we didn't get that kill, but the rest of our players are um pretty much AFK, so AFK, the chat. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, um, yeah, it's pretty fun. Yeah, but like again, if you guys think this game is cool, like go to the description. And yeah, um, I'll be back when these guys are dead because they're not even like playing. But yeah, guys, we are back, and those guys didn't die. The counter terrorists stayed at their base, so the match ended when it was at 0 seconds, and we lost. So it's gonna be 3-6, and we're gonna get a smoke. We don't get killed. I don't think that's a great smoke area, but it's okay. Fine, alright. So we're gonna get a flashbang up to there, and don't look, or we'll get blind. Alright, someone's there. Okay, okay. Lucky this. Lucky, lucky, lucky. No, that guy stole my AK. I mean, not AK, AWP. Would you? Are you serious? Are you serious? Wow. Boom. That is how a pro plays CBRO. Okay, here we go. Let's go, Plan Bomb. Why not? Oh, dude, what a camper. This dude's dying. This dude's dying today. This dude's dying. Ooh, oh, wow. Dead. Dead. Just throw burning grenade. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's go snipe mid. Why can't we? Alright, so let's snipe mid. Boom. No. Teams on my stove. Oh, nice kill. I actually thought I was gonna get one, but he got it. Nice kill, dude. Alright, so we're gonna be waiting. Anyone want a picture? Any picture, guys? No one wants a picture? Why not? Who doesn't want a picture with a Cole, the YouTuber? Like, what? Who doesn't? Yeah, I guess no one does. But alright, here we go. Let's go and check if it's on Rampage. Okay, I was actually gonna snipe us. Okay. Boom. Yo, did. You did. Get out of here. Okay, let's see. Oh, see some. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Oh, he jumped. What a lucky dude. Oh, someone's over here. Boom, what a flick. Get that flick on. Alright, so here we go with this SWAT tunnels. Anyone's coming? Alright, I need to watch mid. Alright, we are now in tunnels. No, it's someone's actually here. Ooh, okay. They're there. They are there. Alright, so we're actually gonna snipe in this guy. Wait, who's that? Oh, what the did I just do? Oh, Kitty S. Boom. What just happened? I am so happy I caught the camera. Boom. AWP Rampage. AWP Rampage, guys. Okay. Oh, I could have caught him. We're gonna get him though. Ooh, got one. No, come on, let me get another one. Come on. Come on, I knew I got okay, I got one. Good. No, I died. No, I lagged. No, I knew there was a counter terrorist there. I lagged though. Oh my gosh. Ah, come on. Really lag? Really? Okay. Um, yeah, we gotta watch them. This is boring. Like, it's so boring when you die. You just gotta, especially when you're the first person, like, like, you gotta wait until the whole round is finished. And when the timer's just zero because players may be AFK and they don't know it. Oh gosh, okay. You get up there. Get it. Oh, get the kill. Get the kill, please. Run! Yes. Nice. Hey. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Get him. Is he actually gonna get him? Yes. Let's go. LOL. Good chat. LOL. He thought. He thought. He thought. Oh my god. Okay. No, I bought the wrong gun. Darn it. Okay. I missed. All right, but here we go. Let's go. Hey, let's just go wrong. Let's go wrong. Okay, go wrong. So, here we go. We are at long. I think anyone's gonna come here. Barely in. Wait, that guy just dropped two guns. Did you guys see that? Guys, look at this. He dropped two guns. Oh my god. Wooey. Dude, thank you. You gave me two guns. Thank you. You gave you gave me two guns. When when you died, you dropped two guns. Glitch. That was a glitch, I think. I bet that's a glitch. Yeah, I think that's a glitch. So not worry about it. But here we go, guys. Let's start with action. Oh, just remembered. It's 7-6. We got this time. We got this. All right, so let's go. Okay. And let's do this. All right. Got bomb. Wait, I did get the bomb. I missed it. All right, let's go. Okay. Definitely some. My last two teammates died here, so we'll be some okay. I think there's any. That's really confusing. I think they went to the terrace farm. Oh, I saw them. No! Come on, teammates. You got the win. You got the win. Come on. Don't let him defuse. Don't let him defuse. I swear. I swear. Come on. Palmera, you suck. I swear. Oh my. Oh. Serious? Are you serious? Really? Oh my gosh. Dude, hello, my name is Brad. You suck. You're terrible. I'm not trying to be mean. How did you not kill him? Oh my. I would have been a little okay. My mood would be okay if he died from the other guy, but but if he killed Mara, whatever his name is. Oh jeez, I broke here. Oh jeez. No, I could have aced it. I mean not ace it, but I could have got the win. Come on, get him. He passed him. I swear. I swear. Y'all are blind. Blind. Oh my god. Yes! Oh, let's go. But guys, with an excitement at the end, you guys think this game was pretty cool? Leave a like and comment down that you guys love this. And if you guys want to see more, subscribe to this channel. I'll do some more. Guys, please send me friend requests if you guys want to play with me and be in my videos. That'll be cool. And subscribe and like my videos. Stay cool and peace out.